Hi, friends. Well, we've been talking about the weather being very capricious and changing all of the time. And certainly, one of the things I've noticed this spring is so many little rain showers where it'll just sprinkle for a little bit and then the rain will stop and maybe the sun will come out and then it'll sprinkle again and it keeps on raining and then stopping. And so I thought we could read Raindrops Roll. This book, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really cool because the way that the cover is made, the raindrop parts, there you go, are a little bit shiny. They feel kind of shiny. Raindrops Roll by April Pelissier. One thing that we've also been thinking about is how is the spring helping living things, right? The winter makes it hard on living things. It's cold, it's hard to find food, it's hard to find shelter, it's hard to stay warm. But then what changes in the spring that makes it easier for things to live, that makes plants ready to grow, that makes animals ready to have babies? Why is the springtime easier for living things to live than the wintertime? Look closely at these photographs and see if you get any ideas. Raindrops roll. Raindrops roll. Rain is coming. You can feel it in the air. The sky darkens with storm. Insects take cover. A firefly below a leaf. A fly inside a pond. Pod. There's a seed pod, not a pond. Rain plops. It drops. It patters. It spatters. Rain waters and washes and weighs down. It thuds, makes mud. Look at that cool salamander. It fills. It spills. Rain stops. Yet raindrops remain. They gather. They glob together. Raindrop spangles mark angles. They cling to curves and cover cocoons. Raindrops settle, they slip, they dot, they drip. They magnify and mingle and moisten. Raindrops reflect. They reveal. Raindrops highlight what is real. They linger in lines, and when the sun shines, raindrops slowly dry. The end. Friends, as I was reading that book, I saw so many animals getting close to the rain and interacting with the rain, and it made me think, I always think about like a deer going up to a pond to get a drink of water, like there's that pond in the Arboretum. But then I realized lots of animals live in places where there aren't really ponds or creeks or big bodies of water like that. Where do you think those animals find rain to drink? This book gave me lots of ideas of places where water might collect and animals might find a drink. If you have any ideas, record them or draw them and show me, I think this kind of animal could drink water from, and tell me how you think different animals might get water. I'll see if I can find any evidence in this book that backs up what you said.